Now, this is our 6th or 7th lecture, decoder. It is also said 1 of 16 decoder, 1 of 16 decoder, 1 input, 16 output. Right? A decoder is similar to a demultiplexer with one exception is there is no data input line. The only inputs are the control bits A, B, C, D. So this is depending upon the A, B, C, D. There is no data input line which are shown in the figure. I will see you show you the figure. This logic circuit is called 1 of 16 decoder. This is our decoder circuit. This is our decoder circuit. You can see here, this is your A, B, C, and this is our D. Right? There is no data input. Right? In demultiplexer, there are one data input. In decoder, there is no data input, only ABCD control input, and these are the number of output. How many? If there is a 4, then 16 output. If this is 3, then 2 raised to 3, that means 9 output. If there is A and B only, then output is 4, like this. We can see like this. Now what happened? When we are applying ABCD is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. ABCD is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. So we can say that this is your 0, right? So this is your 1, this is your 0, this is your 1, this is your 0, this is your 1, this is your 0, this is your 1. So our y0, it is now we are getting the y0, that means 0 output we are getting, right? Same way 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, like this. We can say y0 is output, y1 is our output, y2 is our output, y3 is our output. In this way, the position or the circuit diagram is same, but only change is there are no data input. There are no data input. Now next one is the BCD to decimal decoder. BCD to decimal decoder, right? BCD means binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal, that means BCD is the abbreviation for the binary coded decimal. The BCD code express each digit in a decimal number by its nibble equivalent. Right? What is nibble and what is byte? Nibble means there are 4 bit and byte means there are 8 bit. Right? For example, decimal number 429 is changed to its BCD form as follow. Right? 429. Our number is 429. We want to change this number. Right? So we can say that 429, the binary equivalent is 1001, binary equivalent is 0010, binary equivalent is 0100, right? So to anyone using the BCD code, that means our code is 01000010 and 1001, then its equivalent is equal to 429. We can say the output is equal to 429. As another example, here is how to convert the decimal number 8963 to its binary coded decimal form. So 8 means 1000, 9 means 1001, 6 means 0110, and 3 means 0011. Again we have changed each decimal digit to its binary equivalent. Some early computer processed BCD number This means that the decimal number were changed into BCD numbers, which the computer then added, subtract, etc. The final answer was converted from the BCD back to its decimal number. Here is an example of how to convert from the BCD form back to the decimal number. Then if it is our binary number, it is equal to 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. Then convert into 4 bits, right? This is your equivalent number is 8. This equivalent number is equal to 7. The equivalent number is equal to 5. So its decimal number is 578 is the decimal number. So 578 is the decimal equivalent of 0101 0111 1000. So in this way we can convert BCD to decimal decoder. Now BCD to decimal decoder, the circuit is called a 1 of 10 decoder because only one of the 10 output is high. For example, when ABCD is equal to 0011, only the Y3 AND gate has all high input, therefore only Y3 output is high. All the other outputs are low. In this way, we can change BCD to decimal or decimal to binary from the help of the decoder. Our next topic is 7-segment decoder. Our next topic is 7-segment decoder. So you can see the 7-segment decoder into the form of the your watch, right? Digital watch, or like this. Your watch is like this. There is a this type of the circuit in your calculator also, right? If we consider this is your A, this is your B, this is your C, D, E, F and G, this is your LED indicator. If this is your LED indicator, then whenever we want to see 0, then only this and this. That means only this type of the light are in working condition, all the other lights are 0. This is not in working condition, right? If we consider 2, then this and this LED is in on condition, all the other indicator is in off condition. If we consider 4, then only this and this indicator is switched on and all the other indicator are 0. If we consider 7, then this are in switched on and all the other switched on. So in this way, 7-segment decoder shows us this indicator or light on according to our decoder value, which type of the light we are getting. So a LED emits the radiation when forward bias because the free electrons, see this is the circuit of our decoder. The LED emits radiation when the forward bias because the free electrons recombine with the holes near the junction. As the free electrons fall from the higher energy level to the lower energy level, then they give up the energy into the form of heat and light is on. By using elements like gallium, arsenic and phosphorus, a manufacturer can produce LED that emit red, green, yellow, blue, orange and infrared lights. LED that produce visible radiation are useful in the testing instruments or pocket calculators, or we can say in the watch also. So this figure shows a 7 segment indicator, that means 7 LED labeled through A, B, C, D, E, F, G like this, right? So from this figure, right, for instance, to display a 0, we need to light up the segment A, B, C, D, E, F. Only G is switched off. So we are getting the 0 indication on the screen of the calculator. The 7 segment indicators may be the common anode type where all anodes are connected together, or the common cathode type where all the cathodes are connected together. See this is the figure, right? This is your common anode type, that means upper terminal is positive, and this is your anode, this is your cathode. The cathode, it is our A, second LED, cathode is our B, third one C, next one E. So this is our common anode type. The anode is common. This is our common cathode type. So all the cathodes are common, and we are putting A, B, C, D, E, F, G light or LED lights or LED. It is the circuit is like this. So from this 7 segment indication may be the common anode type where all the anodes are connected together, or the common cathode type where all the cathodes are connected together. With the common anode type, you have to connect a current limiting resistor between each LED and ground. The size of this resistor determines how much current flows through the LED. The typical LED current is between 1 and 50 milliampere. The common cathode type of the figure, this second one, they use a current limiting resistor between each LED and plus VCC. So in this way we are getting the 7 segment indicator. Now we are discussing about the encoder. Now we are discussing about the encoder. This is your encoder. What is the meaning of encoder? The meaning of encoder is an encoder converts an active input signal into a coded output signal. Active input signal into the coded output signal. This is the working or function of the encoder, right? The general idea of this is there are n input lines, n input lines, only one of which is active, only one of them is active. Internal logic within the encoder converts this active input to the coded binary output with m number of bits. So this is our encoder circuit diagram. See, there are n number of inputs is given here, right? This is encoder circuit, this is our input, and this is our output, m number of output. We are getting m number of output, right? So this is also known as decimal to BCD encoder. Decimal to BCD encoder, that means our decimal number 1 2 3 4 5, it is converted to the binary coded decimal number. So figure shows a common type of the encoder, the decimal to BCD encoder. Here the switch are push button switch like this of the pocket calculator. When the button 3 is pressed, the C and D or gates have high input. Therefore, the output is ABCD is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1. If button 5 is pressed, the output becomes ABCD is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1. When switch 9 is pressed, then ABCD is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. So we can say that also, if we are pressing this terminal press, then these two terminal connected, then this plus 0 plus 5 volt, it is given to this terminal. If it is given to this terminal, then we are getting 0 output. If we are pressing this two terminal here, then these two are connected. If these two are connected, then these two output, that means plus 5, it is given to the this much input, that means A, B, C, D. Here this is not B, this is not B, this is your C and this is your D. It is like this. Button 5 is pressed, then the output becomes ABCD is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1. If 9 is pressed, this is your 9. If this terminal is pressed, then our output is 1, 0, 0, 1. Like this, we can say it is our conversion of decimal to BCD encoder. Conversion of decimal to BCD encoder. That's all.